Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Michael, my wife's name is Faith, and we are the Stalwart lovers. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, alright? And make sure you like this video, drop a comment. God bless you. Right now I'm going to Walmart. I have a few things to buy for the house. My wife is at work and I just have a little time. I want to quickly go get some stuff. I've been researching cleaning agents, cleaning items. I have been researching cleaning items for the house, and I've just found some things I really want to try out, like trying baking soda, um, white vinegar, lemon for the stove and all that. Because what I'm used to is just the traditional cleaning um, liquid that you just spray and then you use, paper towel to wipe. But I'm just really interested in finding more natural, less, I don't know what to say, less chemical ways. So I'm going to buy a lot of stuff, also things I can use to clean the car. And I just want to show you some of the things I'm buying. Maybe it could help somebody. Also, tomorrow we are going furniture shopping because we've not set up the house since we got in here. So we're going to IKEA tomorrow. So stay tuned. This is going to be an exciting vlog and come with us. All right. All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you. It's been a long time I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, I'm getting tired. I've been here for more than 1 hour. What am I saying? 2 hours. I told you today is a serious shopping day. I bought a few things that I did not write down in my list, but most of the things that I wrote down, I have gotten them, and I'm wrapping up now. I just need to pick one or two more things, and I'm good. I had to call my wife several times to just confirm if we needed something that I thought we needed. Anyway, going what now? All right, going back home now. I think I want to buy slippers. Yeah,
Good to meet my brother. I follow him on YouTube.
that's interesting. Good to meet you.
Okay, good to meet you too.
Good to meet
okay.
you. My wife is not with me today, so.
I know, I love you. I used to follow you since you were in Nigeria.
Oh wow, that's
Yes.
beautiful. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Yeah,
too.
bye. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, I want to buy slippers because I need new slippers. I don't know. Should I buy this gray one? Makes me feel like a soldier. Then this, I don't know. I just need something to wear around the house. The one I have really stresses my leg. I hope this one is not swollen. I hope it's not swollen. Anyway, I'll look for one and then maybe get for my wife as well. She might like it. Last class I might buy these straight ones. If I don't, see the one that works for me. Anyway.
It's been a long time, I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you.
All done. All done. Tired, exhausted. See bag. See, look at my cart. Time to go. This is the kind of day that my wife should have come with me. But work. I wonder how I'm going to manage with all this. When I get home, she definitely must come and help me because at this junction, I don't tire. Anyway, she will be already closed by the time I get home, so she'll be free. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Look at 3 hours of shopping. Bro, I had to buy him McDonald's as well. My god. Oh, my back's aching me. Now I'm glad my wife didn't come. She would have been exhausted. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yes, so yesterday was a lot of shopping. You guys saw the things I was buying. I was so exhausted. I got home and I kept arranging things till I slept around like past 11, literally, with aches all over my body. But I'm so happy I did it. And of course, my wife was able to help afterwards. Today, we're heading to rehearsals, and I'm first excited that I got something to hang the camera so that we don't have to be holding it. So maybe expect more car vlogs like this. Let us know if you like this angle and stuff.
Yeah,
so we're going to rehearsal. After rehearsal, we'll be going to where?
We're going to IKEA.
We'll be going to IKEA.
So we finally decided to take our home decor a little seriously.
Yes, we have.
Yeah, and want to get some stuff. I mean, hopefully we're going to be able to find things in IKEA that will be good and quality and stuff. So, yeah.
So because since we moved to this new house, we haven't set up anything.
We haven't set up anything.
And then before we knew it, we had to go to US. And so, before we knew we had to go to US. And then we got back from US. And then we've been just whooped and busy trying to just really acclimatize with life. We've not had time, but we're trying to be serious now. So we don't really know what we want to buy, but we'll just, feed our eyes.
Down some things.
Oh, you wrote some things down, awesome. So I know we want to buy a dining set. We might not buy a cushion from IKEA, a chair from IKEA. We might want to try a more. And we could just find something we like in IKEA. We are not looking for something that will last 10 years, 20 years. Because by the time we are moving to our own house, we will still want to furnish the whole place with new furniture anyway.
Yeah.
If God gives us the privilege, the power, yes. So we don't really care about overlasting, but we need something that is comfortable, that is big, that fits well in the space. Yeah, and maybe also get some island chairs, for the island.
Of course, there's a lot of things like that.
We're still not sure if we're going to get 3 or 4 or 2. I'm thinking we should do 2 on the 2 extreme end, but it doesn't look nice. We can do the 4, even if people don't sit on it. It's for aesthetics.
Yeah, that's the thing. You have to look at it that way too.
Yeah, aesthetics. Anyway, so we'll see you at maybe at rehearsal. I keep saying this, but I always forget to film in rehearsal. But we'll see you at IKEA definitely.
Yeah. So
Keeping this one in mind. Yeah, this one. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I just keep it in mind. Um, just keep it in mind.
I like the legs.
Yeah, the legs are metal. I mean, they'll stay on the rug now. Yeah, this is a better option. I think I love this one. And I love the color. And then there's also another one here. Let me snap this one. And snap this. Sister, what do you think about this chair?
It's actually very good.
It's something you can buy?
Yeah.
The both of them?
So that's the house just like this is.
Yeah.
more like
And we can always sit down here and back that back for video, YouTube.
The chairs I want something better.
We don't have to buy the chair. The wood is just, I don't know, let's hope we get better. Let's hope we get a better one. Yo, remember this chair that I wanted to buy when we got to Canada? It was 800. Was one two? Was it? Which one was now 800?
That's
Oh,
different.
the 3-seater without the extra was 800. But wait, I want to soon. We don't want that no more.
So there are much more couches here.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe we will still find someone. What do you think about this, babe?
Nope. It's not August.
They literally have. What about this one? This gray one. Is this still too bogus? It's not a bad idea. It's maybe the color because I like something that is bright.
You want to relax. To scatter.
What about this?
I mean, I don't know.
It's not a bad idea.
So
Let me
it's
let me
what?
feel the. The quality is good though.
So it's what? This. and
We will
what?
now be creative with colors. What about this one? This one will not need an
similar
L
to all
shape.
those-
We just need something here by the side.
But I prefer the ones that have that. I mean, it's have to just be.
Babe, what about this?
Yeah, it looks nice actually.
You want to sit on it and see? Test the quality. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
What's the quality like?
Although I'm not sure I'm a fan of the fabric,
Eh,
but it's okay.
you don't like the fabric.
I mean, it's not if this is in my house, it's not like I would not. But I'm also thinking about how it would blend with other things like.
But it's bright. I like the bright color.
Like this one now, I'd prefer if it has like a 2-seater also.
And this space, you just stretch. It works. It works.
But I still prefer those other ones. I've not seen anything that beats.
Yeah, that's the thing. We are putting it on scale. So this second is scale, I guess. It's not even second out of all you've seen.
I'm not sure yet.
All these ones are that one up there, maybe that one. You know this one would be so great if you can have singles. This,
Smaller,
then the smaller one, then the single one again.
of a different design.
Yeah. Should we buy center table? You know we have a little more space. What about that black one, that low one? This one. Yeah. What about this one?
I don't think I want to get
Okay. What about this one? I knew that's all you're gonna say. You know, this is the time when we can buy this kind of chairs and buy them in different colors, like that one. Yes. Or even this one.
I think I'll prefer something.
You want something like this, Abby?
Yeah.
Sit on it. How about this? I think the dining is too in pieces. Yeah, well, I would love something like this. Wood like. Ah, what do you think about this couch? If you get it in white, it doesn't look too good, sir.
Look at the leg.
Yeah. Yeah. What about this?
They're actually different lengths of this type. I don't know. It's
That one is expandable.
also expanded.
What about this one, babe? You don't like the right? That one matches our wood, the floor. That's the only concern. It's going to be the same color with the floor. But I don't think. Okay then. Another expandable, but this one is too long for us. So my wife says she wants this one. Do you want the same color too? The white?
Looking at black too. It's a very dark brown, so it would.
It will pop it.
Yes, maybe pop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I've been nice. It was like all of the same.
Which one? This one? I feel like this color is fine. It's going to match with the color of the couch. Sister B, are we changing our mind to these ones?
Yeah, it's starting to make more sense to me.
Alright. Bye bye.
But come on, look at this
Dining chair.
dining chairs. Come on, look at that. See. Can you see the type of chairs?
Oh. But that means the dining itself will not be this expandable one we're buying. They are not looking modern.
So Wakubu wants to this table that we're considering. I want to take the dining chair we saw that we liked and see how it's gonna fit.
Let me see how much.
If it's going to be too big. It will be too big.
You can take one. Take one and two.
But it will be like right at the
It
edge.
will always be extended. No, we'll just extend it.
We will not always have it extended.
Yes. Alright, so we're changing that. Going back to this one.
Yeah,
is
that's
what
why
you
we're
want?
not making a mistake. Because I like it. Like it's
Auntie Alpha.
we didn't buy anything, no,
We didn't buy anything.
but we had to take a snack.
Yeah.
Guys. It is customary to come to IKEA and when you are leaving, buy some jumps along.
Yeah, so every time.
So we didn't eventually pick up anything here. Because it was more like an idea session, sha.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we are now we've left the place in our car now, and we would eventually decide on what to buy. Maybe we would even check other places, maybe home sense, a lot of other places. We'll just check and see what else is there,
Mm-hmm.
and we can then adequately pick that. Okay, I think I'll go for this. So yeah,
Home sense. Do home sense really have furniture like that?
I don't know. I think homes. No, they do. There are different furniture places actually. I'll find them out. I think someone even sent me this one time.
Oh yeah, home sense. Home sense. Yes.
No.
We should actually visit.
Yeah. So that we'll
That's
just
why we
see
not buy
other
anything today.
places.
So that
Yeah.
we wouldn't have bought something and feel like I wish we bought this. Because we really want something that is modern and that is beautiful.
And I will not regret or feel like selling. Yes.
Because even though IKEA has return policy, it's still stressful. Imagine you buy a whooping couch and then you put it all together. You have to put it together. You have to
break it down again and return. So
I don't want to go there.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video apparently. I guess we would make another vlog where if we
when we go
somewhere else, or if we eventually make our choice and stuff like that,
yes,
make another vlog and show you guys. Alright, so please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, make sure you comment, subscribe, all the good things, everything. Share this video, share our channel with your friends, and follow us on all our other social media handles. Yes, and our website is live now, so please make sure you check it out. www.stalwart.com.
That's all. You know that's all.
Yeah. Alright guys, so to become away again,
keep loving
and keep believing,
we are the Stalwart Lovers.
Lovers.